First of all, you need to understand that there are two versions of this Q7F. One known as Q7F-A, which is this one, and the other one known as Q7F5, which is marketed in some few countries for some reason. And the main difference is that the Q7F5 will have almost twice the amount of brightness of this Q7F-A, and the Q7F5 will have a central stand and a different backlighting technology, which in that case will be LED edge, which is not the best right now because that TV will suffer from overheating at the bottom part of the screen, and that's not the best for the lifespan of the TV, while at least this version Q7F-A has direct LED backlighting technology. And also you need to understand that I am not the only one saying this TV is bad overall and is not recommended. If you go to ratings.com, although they review the 65-inch size, this is the 55-inch size, and they say, as I'm telling you, this TV is bad or terrible overall and is not recommended. And if you're wondering why this TV is super bad or not recommended, well, the amount of brightness is super low and it is marketed as a QLED TV, but it is not. From my point of view, the amount of brightness and the color saturation capacity is not what you will get on a QLED TV, but in a crystal TV. And as I said in the review, this is more a crystal TV, maybe some kind of DU7000 with a lot of marketing saying it's a QLED TV, but remember, it is not. And the only thing I want to highlight about this TV is that it has direct LED backlighting technology, which is not bad. This TV does not suffer from overheating at the bottom part of the screen as the LED edge version suffers, and this is something good. But remember, the amount of brightness is super low, the color saturation capacity is not what you will get on a QLED TV, but is not bad. If in your country you can get this TV with a super low price, maybe you will get it if you like or love the Samsung brand. Otherwise, you will have better options from other brands or from this brand but last year's models. Then guys, if you already bought this TV, this version, and you can return it to the store, return it, don't waste your money. But if you cannot return this model, well, try to enjoy it as much as you can. But if you're still considering about buying this TV or the Q7F5 with more brightness, I will tell you, think about it twice. Don't waste your money. Remember, I'm not the only one saying this. Go to ratings.com if you don't believe me and search for this sentence. They do not recommend this TV. That's it. Thanks for watching. I remind you guys, you can support my channel by making some purchases through the links I put in the description and in the first comment. Also, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and until next time.